So let's start this course with a brief introduction to the Linux operating system. Many events led to the creation of first Linux kernel, and ultimately the Linux operating system started with the Unix operating system's release in 1970. The evolution of Linux operating system from Unix had been possible with great efforts from many contributors, but we still talk about Richard Stallman, who started the GNU, we call it the GNU project in 1983, and Mr. Linus Torvalds, whom we also know as the father of the Linux operating system. The story dates back somewhere in 1980s when software used to be free and open for use by everybody. But for some reason it was made mandatory for all the users to pay for the softwares to use. And this was most probably not liked by Richard Stallman. So he started the new project with the name GNU in the year 1983. He intended to design a free Unix-like operating system with all the features written directly from scratch. And there he started the GNU GPL, that is the General Public License project. But however, Stallman was not able to make a complete operating system just because of one thing that was missing, and it was the Linux kernel. Then comes the role of my favorite character, Linus Torvalds. At first, Linux was a personal college level project started in 1991 by Linus Torvalds. His goal, similar to Stallman's, was to create a new, free operating system kernel. And guess what? He could finally make it for the whole world to use. Today, Linux is available in over 600 distributions. Some of the most popular and well known are Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, OpenSUSE, Elementary, Manjaro, and many more. A Linux distribution may also be described as a particular assortment of applications and utility software packaged with the Linux kernel in such a way that its capabilities meet the user's needs. Since Linux is free and open source, the code can be modified and distributed commercially or non-commercially by anyone. Now, the most important question, why Linux? I mean, why learning Linux operating system is so important? There are many reasons, few of which I have already displayed, like Linux is generally considered more secure than any other operating system. It is less susceptible to malware than Windows operating system, and it is very frequently updated as well. Linux is very stable and generally affords very high performance to end user. Linux-based operating systems run on servers, mainframes, desktops, embedded systems such as routers, television, video games, consoles, and many more. As such, Linux has become an indispensable tool, as I have already brought out earlier, in the field of cybersecurity. Today, many servers run on Linux and offer a wide range of possibilities for offensive security practitioners, network defenders, and system administrators. So, I'm very sure in this entire course you will be getting to learn a lot many things that cover the overall Linux architecture, and you will keep exploring many more as you cover the modules. So stay tuned, I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial.